Welcome to small AI steps and big earnings. Forget the hassle of traditional video creation.
Now, you can create stunning, viral YouTube videos using new AI features, all with just a few clicks.
Stick around, because I'll show you step by step how to turn simple text into engaging videos using CapCut's new AI tools.
Hit that like and subscribe.
We also gather small creators in the comments.
Let's support each other. Part 1. What's new in CapCut AI? CapCut just released a powerful lineup of AI features. You're going to love this. From AI video generation, auto captions, and text-to-speech to full avatar videos. You can now create content from your browser, desktop, or mobile app. Think viral cat animations, fun fact shorts, and more. I'll demo how to create these efficiently in CapCut. Some features are for professional version, but they're worth it. I call this video generation strategy the AI triple power. Create. Use AI to generate scripts, ideas, and visuals. Edit. Enhance videos with auto captions, avatars, voiceovers, and more. Automate. Scale everything across YouTube, Shorts, Reels, and beyond. Let's go step by step and use these features to create a faceless YouTube video in minutes. Step 1. Create with CapCut AI. Start by clicking Brainstorm with AI. Try it. Just type a topic. Let's say cat rescue animation story, and CapCut will generate script ideas. CapCut AI will suggest 5 topics. You can pin the ones you like or click Explore for more depth. If you're not satisfied, click Generate more for 5 new ideas. Pin multiple points and your selections will appear on the right panel. Then, click Generate Script. You can set video duration and add requirements like fast-paced or funny story. Once your script is ready, review it. If you don't like a sentence, select it and click Rewrite. For example, if you want to make it funnier, type in your suggestion and click the arrow. CapCut will generate a new version you can replace, insert, or regenerate. When it's ready, copy the entire script using Ctrl+C or Command+C. Next, click Instant AI Video, try it. Choose your style. There are tons of options. Select your video size, horizontal for YouTube, vertical for Shorts or TikTok. Paste your script and choose a voiceover. There's a wide variety: male, female, kid voices, even funny character sounds. Click Create, and CapCut will auto-generate scenes, stock images, voiceover, and animations. Just one click and your 1-minute video is ready. Click Export to download in up to 4K 60 FPS. Step 2. Edit like a pro with AI. To make changes, you can trim, delete, or replace any scene. Click Replace to enter a new prompt. CapCut AI will give you 4 new options. Updating scenes is super easy. For more control, click Edit More. This opens the online editor where you can add photos, stickers, or AI avatars. Tons of choices. Use the Audio tab to add background music and sound effects. Explore effects, transitions, and filters to polish your video. To edit like a pro, download the file to your desktop app, click the button to save it to My Space. Go to My Space, download the file, and head to Home to start editing. I usually start by updating the caption style for readability. Select Apply to All, choose a style, and add caption animations. They make a huge difference. Want to make the video more interactive? Tweak a sentence so it sounds like someone's speaking. Update the text, trim the voiceover, select the text, click Text-to-Speech, choose a voice, and hit Generate Speech. Done. Let's look at the result.
The poor pups were unable to escape in time and died in the fire.
Oh my God, what's happening?
Tracy Cutlow was heartbroken when she realized what had happened. I couldn't believe it. I thought they would have run out of the house after their cat mom, she said.
You can also generate an AI avatar for intros or within the video. Click AI Avatar, choose one, click Next. Add your script or upload audio, then click Generate. Need to remove a background? Select the clip, go to the right panel, click Video, then remove BG, enable auto removal, and let CapCut do the rest. Now you can embed that avatar or scene into your main video. Step 3. Automate. Plus, scale. Here's where the magic happens. Made one video? Great! Now scale. First way to scale. Global reach. CapCut can translate your voice into multiple languages, preserving tone and timing. Upload the video version without captions. Choose your target language and whether you want lip sync. The first translation is free. After that, you'll need credits. Click Translate, confirm, then let it process. You should definitely add captions. Afterward, click Edit, then select the clip, right-click to open the menu, select Separate Audio, go to Text, and select Auto Caption to auto-generate captions in the new language. Let's see English translate to Chinese.
他让别人说话，但重要的时候，他说得很清楚。声音不大，但很尖锐。
Sounds perfect. Way to scale. Content remix. Found a successful faceless channel in your niche? Clone that success. I followed the same steps to create a fun facts video. I copied a title from a 5.7M view video, brainstormed with CapCut AI, created the script, and generated multiple styles. Nature, pop art, you name it. Click the free trial link and explore your own styles.
Have you ever wondered whether someone had a crush on you?
It can be tricky to figure out if someone likes you or not,
especially
if
if
they're
someone
not
likes you or
saying it
not.
outright.
Third way to scale. Multi-platform upload. Upload your videos to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. No extra editing needed. You can even turn long videos into short ones with one click. Check out my video on using N8N to auto-upload videos to YouTube. I'll create a video later to auto-upload to multiple platforms, so make sure to subscribe. CapCut's AI tools make video creation fun, fast, and scalable. Try CapCut's free AI tools today. The link is in the description. Want more AI tools to save and make money? Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and grab free resources in the description. See you next time!